Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off vibrations on iPhone 16e. To do it, go to the settings, then go to sounds and haptics, and now go to haptics, and this will be the haptics for ringtones and alerts, and you can set it to never play. That will turn them off. Then you can also go to the system haptics and you can disable them. And also make sure that keyboard's feedback doesn't have haptic turned on, and that will disable all of the vibrations on your phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.